How can one become a member of FC Barcelona? All players who want to sign a contract with FC Barcelona must pass a deadly test, and if they don't pass this test, they will undoubtedly not be signed. Now, what exactly does this test consist of? This test consists of two parts, medical and physical, and the physical part is truly terrifying. The first test is the medical exam, which includes blood tests, ECG, flexibility tests, height and weight checks, and bone density scans. If the player passes this, they then move on to the pulmonary function test. Only after these tests do the players get on special treadmills that have foot scanners, which analyze the player's entire body based on their footprint. But the hard part of the story is the physical test, which consists of 3 stages, each stage being harder than the previous one. In the first test, the player has to perform consecutive short sprints until their body reaches peak fatigue. And just when their body is fatigued, they are asked to do a speed test to see exactly what the player's speed is while exhausted. They have to run a 30-meter distance at full speed and record their time. And that's exactly when they are at the peak of their fatigue. The second test is very clever. Barcelona coaches ask the players to run a distance of 2 to 3 kilometers at an increasing speed. This means that every 500 meters, the player must increase their speed, and afterwards, they take a blood sample from the player to see how much lactic acid has been secreted into their blood. Now, what is lactic acid? When players start running, if their bodies are not prepared, the level of lactic acid in their blood rises very high right from the start. This is how coaches come and take blood tests during running to see if the player's body is really ready or not. But the third test is the player's strength test. FC Barcelona comes and uses special machines like the isokinetic device to ask the player to exert their maximum strength on this machine. Then they measure the strength of the hamstring, quadriceps, and other important muscles of the player's body to see if they reach the required standard or not. Now, in your opinion, can FC Barcelona be successful in Europe this year with its new signings? Write it in the comments.